You might have observed plastic strips hanging on the entry of factories and warehouses, and you might be wondering, what is it and why is it installed? This is PVC strip curtain. This strip curtains allows efficiency of a door with the convenience of not having to open or close it. They are typically used in warehouses or factories to create separation between two areas. You don't have to physically open gates to make way for humans or machines. Some regular places you'll see strip curtains installed may include food and pharmaceutical plants, warehouses, cold storages, paint workshops, etc. It stops warm air from coming inside, reduces your electricity bill by up to 40% by improving air conditioning efficiency. It restricts flies from entering inside, restricts dust from coming inside. Introducing PVC strip curtain by Euronics. With over 13 offices, 11,000 clients, and 30,000 gates installed, Euronics is the largest selling PVC strip curtain in India. Contact us today for more information.